Welcome back, side hustlers. In today's video, we're exploring the top 7 affiliate marketing programs that can help you earn big bucks this year. Let's get started. If you're looking for ways to make money online that don't involve filming yourself doing TikTok dances in your mom's basement, then you have to check out affiliate marketing. It's literally how I got my start, and it's how so many other creators are able to quit their jobs to do this full time. Basically, you're getting paid to sell other people's products, and you don't even have to deal with customer service. Now listen, I get it. There are thousands of affiliate programs out there, and it can be tough to figure out which ones are actually worth your time. That's why in this video, I'm breaking down the top 7 affiliate programs that I think are going to be huge in 2024. So sit back, grab your notepad, and let's dive in. First up, we have Shopify. Now, if you're even remotely familiar with e-commerce, you know how big Shopify is. I mean, they literally power millions of online stores worldwide, from those little Etsy shops selling handmade candles to huge brands raking in millions. And the best part, their affiliate program is just as impressive as their platform. We're talking about a sweet $150 per referral who signs up for a paid plan. That's right, just one sale, and you've already made more than most people make in a day at their 9 to 5. To join the program, you need to have an established online presence. Think a website, a blog, a YouTube channel with a decent following. As for promoting Shopify, it's all about targeting the right audience. Think aspiring entrepreneurs, people who are passionate about starting their own businesses. Next up, we have the OG of affiliate marketing, Amazon Associates. I mean, let's be real. Amazon sells pretty much everything under the sun, which means there's an affiliate opportunity for pretty much everyone. Now, the commission rates for Amazon Associates can vary depending on the product category, but you can typically expect to earn anywhere from 2% to 5% on qualifying purchases. But here's the thing, Amazon is all about volume. Think about it. People are on Amazon 24/7 buying everything. And with their massive selection and super fast shipping, it's not hard to convince people to click on your affiliate links. Plus, Amazon has a 24-hour cookie window, which means if someone clicks on your link and buys something else within 24 hours, you still get credit for the sale. The key here is to be strategic about the products you promote. Now, if you're looking to promote digital products like online courses, ebooks, and software, ClickBank is where it's at. They've been a major player in the affiliate marketing game for over 20 years, and they have a massive marketplace filled with thousands of high-quality digital products just waiting to be promoted. And the best part? ClickBank is known for its insanely high commission rates, with some products offering payouts of up to 75% or even 90%. ClickBank has a rigorous approval process, and they don't just accept anyone into their program. You need to have a solid website or online presence and a proven track record of driving traffic and generating sales. Once you're in, it's all about finding those hidden gems, those high-converting, in-demand digital products that are just waiting to be promoted to the right audience. Chapter 4, eBay Partner Network, the Global Auction Advantage. Next, we have the eBay Partner Network, and if you thought Amazon had a lot of products, you haven't seen anything yet. eBay is the OG online auction site, and they have literally millions of products listed for sale at any given time. Now, the commission rates for the eBay Partner Network are a bit more modest than some of the other programs on this list, typically ranging from 1% to 4%. But again, it's all about volume. eBay has a massive global reach with buyers and sellers from all over the world. Plus, their auction-style listings create a sense of urgency and excitement that you don't really get with traditional e-commerce sites. To succeed with the eBay Partner Network, it's all about finding those niche products that people are passionately searching for. Chapter 5, Digistore 24, your digital product goldmine. Now, if you're looking for another great option for promoting digital products, Digistore 24 is definitely worth checking out. They have a massive marketplace filled with thousands of digital products in a wide range of niches, from business and marketing to health and fitness to self-help and personal development. And the best part? Digistore 24 has one of the most aggressive commission structures in the industry, with many products offering payouts of up to 75% or even higher. Digistore 24 is known for having a lot of low-quality products, So you really need to do your research and carefully select the products you promote. But hey, if you're willing to put in the work, Digistore24 can be a goldmine for affiliate marketers. Focus on finding high-quality products in profitable niches. Create valuable content that educates and informs your audience, and watch the commissions roll in. Chapter 6. Rakuten Marketing Partner with the Big Leagues. Next, we have Rakuten Marketing, and this one's a little different from the others. See, Rakuten is a huge e-commerce company based in Japan, and they have their hands in a lot of different industries. We're talking travel, fashion, electronics, you name it, and their affiliate network reflects that diversity. With Rakuten Marketing, you can partner with some of the biggest brands in the world, like JetBlue, Sephora, New Balance, and a ton more. Now, the commission rates for Rakuten Marketing can vary, depending on the specific merchant and campaign, but you can typically expect to earn anywhere from 1% to 20% on qualifying sales. The real advantage of Rakuten Marketing is the credibility and trust that comes with partnering with these major brands. Consumers are more likely to make a purchase through your affiliate link if they recognize and trust the brand you're promoting. Chapter 7. CJ Affiliate, your gateway to premium brands. Finally, we have CJ Affiliate, another giant in the affiliate marketing world. CJ Affiliate boasts a massive network of over 3,000 merchants, including some of the biggest names in e-commerce like Barnes & Noble, GoPro, and Office Depot. One of the things that sets CJ Affiliate apart is its focus on quality over quantity. They have a rigorous vetting process for both merchants and affiliates, so you can be confident that you're partnering with reputable brands and promoting high-quality products. CJ Affiliate offers a wide range of commission structures, with some merchants offering flat-rate payouts per sale and others offering percentage-based commissions. To succeed with CJ Affiliate, it's important to choose your merchant partnerships carefully and focus on promoting products that align with your niche and audience. So there you have it, guys. The top 7 affiliate marketing programs that I think are going to be huge in 2024. From e-commerce giants like Shopify and Amazon to digital product powerhouses like ClickBank and Digistore24, there's an affiliate program out there for everyone, regardless of your niche or experience level. The key is to do your research, choose programs that align with your interests and audience, and focus on providing value to your followers. So what are you waiting for? Start exploring these amazing affiliate programs today and see just how much passive income you can earn. And don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to my channel for more awesome side hustle and AI tips and tricks, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Until next time, keep hustling, and I'll see you in the next video.